Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen and welcome back to my channel. So I had a short period of time that I lived in Binghamton, New York, and we made these called chicken Spiedies, and they were awesome sandwiches. So you can make them with chicken, you can make them with pork, people made them with lamb. Some people made them with beef, but not very many. So what you want to do is you want to take a couple pounds of pork and chop it up into nice cubes, and then we added some oregano, 2 teaspoons of the oregano. We added 2 tablespoons of parsley. We added 2 tablespoons of basil and some salt and pepper. And then you're going to put in 2 cloves of minced garlic, all right in your bowl to marinate. Now, I don't know how true this is, but this is something that when I lived up there, they told me originated in Broome County, New York, in the Binghamton area. So now that we have our seasonings all in there and our garlic, we're going to take and we're going to add a half a cup of olive oil, can't speak, and 1/4 of a cup of white vinegar. So there's my half a cup of olive oil, 1/4 cup of white vinegar, and then we're going to use 1/4 cup of fresh squeezed juice from a lemon, from 3 lemons. So we got our juice. We're going to throw that in. Now we're going to stir this around, and we're just going to let it marinate for up to 8 hours. A little less, a little more, that's up to you, but you want to try to get it to marinate for about 8 hours before you throw it on the grill. Sometimes it's easier to mix everything in a bowl and then just pour it right over the meat. So we're just going to stir this right around, get it all down in the seasonings. After you've had it marinated, you cook it on the grill till it's nice and juicy and tender. Pull it right from the shish kebab skewers right onto your roll. You can add some cheese, you can add some extra Spiedie sauce if you made it and set it aside and it wasn't in the meat, or you can even add some peppers and onions. You won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down below. We appreciate ya.